Now let's look at this question number 47 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. The bonding pair of electrons in a hydrogen chloride molecule is pulled towards the chlorine atom because A. Chlorine, please, this is a mistake, there should be no extra O here. Chlorine has a larger atomic size. B. Chlorine has a larger atomic mass. C. Chlorine is more electronegative. D. There is no bonding orbitals within the chlorine atom. So for us to understand this much better, please, there is no O here and there is no O here. So for us to understand this, I had earlier in one of the exam questions explained that every atom has what we call protons and neutrons. Now the protons, let's say these are the protons, they are positively charged. The neutrons are not charged, they don't have any charge. Now revolving around these protons and neutrons are what we call the electrons. They are revolving around. These electrons are negatively charged, so there is always forces of attraction between this negative charge and the positive charge in the nucleus. So now there are some elements that are very, very electropositive or electronegative. So things like chlorine and fluorine, they are highly electronegative. And things like sodium and potassium, they are highly electropositive. So if you are having something that is highly electronegative, it's going to be attracting whenever there is bond with, say, another element. The electronegativity is going to ensure much attraction of these bonded electrons. So we have chlorine being more electronegative as the reason why the paired electrons, this electron that is paired, one from this very chlorine and one from what it is being bonded to, the electronegativity of this chlorine is going to ensure that these electrons are being attracted towards the chlorine side. So that's why we say that the bonding pair of electrons, this bonding pair in a hydrogen chloride, say this is hydrogen, hydrogen has one electron, say this is hydrogen, a hydrogen chloride molecule is pulled towards the chlorine atom. It's going to be pulled towards this because chlorine is very, very powerful, and because of its highly electronegative nature, it's going to ensure that it is being attracted towards the chlorine and not towards the hydrogen. And that is the reason why C is the answer to this problem, and not because it has larger atomic mass or atomic size, though it actually does do these two things, but that is not the reason for the attraction. The reason for the attraction is the high electronegativity of chlorine.